In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to Dropbox. We'll walk through two simple ways: using the website, which requires no installation, and using the desktop app if you already have it on your computer. I'll keep it clear and practical so you can choose whatever fits your setup. Let's start with the website method. Open your web browser and go to dropbox.com, then log into your account. Once you're in, navigate to the exact folder where you want your file to live. Taking a moment to pick the right folder now saves time later, and it keeps your files organized. From here, you have two easy upload options. The first is drag and drop. Arrange your screen so you can see both your computer file and the Dropbox browser tab. Click and hold the file on your computer, drag it over the Dropbox window, and when you see the page highlight or a drop area appear, let go. The upload will start right away. You'll typically see a progress indicator. Keep the tab open until it finishes. Larger files can take longer, so a stable internet connection helps. The second option uses the upload button near the top of the page, close to the search bar. Click Upload, then choose either Files or Folder. Select what you need from your computer and confirm. If you pick Folder, Dropbox keeps the folder structure intact, which is great for project directories. Again, watch for the progress indicator and let the upload complete before closing the page. Now let's look at the desktop app method. Open File Explorer on Windows or Finder on a Mac. In the sidebar, locate the Dropbox folder. Think of this folder as a live gateway to your online Dropbox. Anything you put here will sync to your account. Drag and drop your files into the Dropbox folder or copy and paste them there. If you already have a specific subfolder set up, drop the files directly into it to stay organized. As the files go in, the Dropbox app works in the background to upload them. You may notice small status icons next to each file, often showing a syncing symbol at first and a check mark when everything is done. You can keep using your computer while it syncs. Just let the upload finish if you need the files available online right away. That's it. Use the website when you're on a shared or new computer, and the desktop app when you want seamless ongoing syncing. Thanks for watching and happy uploading.